Get ready, folks. This is going to be a good one now. Wondering what it's going to be? Here it comes. And notice the locomotive, it's going in reverse. That's because they went all the way to College Station, and I think they're going back to Houston.